Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we're making the classic gin drink, the Martini. Garnish with lemon peel instead of olives, but you can do both or neither. The crucial step is having a frosted coupe glass, your favorite dry or white vermouth, and your best gin, as this is a spirit-forward cocktail and there's no hiding poor quality ingredients here. Except maybe with olive brine. You can simply coat some lemon oil on the rim of the glass, express it, or submerge it like I did. Enjoy it how you like. But before you do anything, select your glassware and get it super frosty. Ideally in the freezer for a while beforehand, but I find some ice in a coupe placed in the freezer works well. Grab your bar mat and your ingredients, starting with your best gin. I went with Plymouth Gin as it's slightly more elevated than London Dry. Good vermouth like Dolin, but I guess I'll also allow Martini and Rossi if you insist. Some orange bitters to add some complexity and a bit of sweet citrus, and some lemon peels to add some sharp citrus. I keep a bag of peels in the freezer at all times for such occasions. Gather your ingredients and let's get to it. After placing your coupe in a cold, dark place, grab your favorite mixing glass, jigger, and measure out 1 ounce of dry vermouth. Pour it in, then grab your gin bottle and measure 2 ounces. If you want it extra dry, go 3, but at that point just have it neat like Churchill. Pour it in, then add 1 to 2 dashes of orange bitters. This bottle has a smaller spout, so I did about 3, but use your best judgment and experiment based on your ingredients. Then add a scoop of ice from your coupe, and stir for a good 30 seconds. Grab your ice-cold coupe, a julep strainer, and strain in your martini. Perfectly clear, aesthetically perfect. Pretend you're doing something and rub the peel on the lip of the glass to transfer some lemon oil. And then pin your peels inside or outside of the glass, depending on how lemon-forward you'd like it. And there you have it, the Martini sans olive. With English gin and French vermouth, it's more like a Norman conquest. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next. Cheers.